Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a unboxing video. So as y'all can see, I have an order from Louis Vuitton. This is as far as I gotten with unboxing, and then I remembered I should probably record this part. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys because this is something that I've had my eyes on, but I couldn't get a hold of them last year and I've just been wanting to try them. And so let's do a little unboxing. So we have our packaging and then our receipt right here. And let me zoom in because it's pretty small and I really like the ribbon. So I'm just going to pull this to the side to unbox. And we have the 2023 Small Functional Daily Agenda Refill. This is for the pocket planner, and I'm so happy to finally get to try the Louis Vuitton insert. And again, daily. So here is the packaging. It's a really nice cardboard, and yeah, this is the design for this year. So from what I've seen, it's like a circus theme, and it's a little different. I really love last year's theme, but again, I just couldn't get my hands on it. But here is the pocket, and then it comes in this nice packaging so that you can store them. And then we're going to open it up. Alright, and so it's broken up into quarterly sections again because this is the daily, and so there are quite a few, and I'm actually going to keep the box because I'm going to store them in here and keep it on my desk just because I think this box is really cute, and I'll show y'all how I'll do that at the end of the video. But here are the quarterly sections, and then I'll go through all of them and show y'all what they look like so y'all can see an up-close look of the design. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this. Let's grab my small ring or PM agenda, and we're going to put them in here. So in this agenda, I have my Chanel authenticity card that I just keep in here. I have a $2 bill from my dad that I just keep for luck, and about the owner card from Infinite Lotus, and then this is a page protector. I honestly cannot remember where I got this, and yeah, I can't remember where I got this. I feel like it was a planner shop. I feel like it was either Papeterie Planning, maybe Cloth and Paper. I think once they started doing it, or Poi and Hun potentially. I feel like it probably was Poi and Hun. But here is the first quarter, and we're just going to see if we can just slide these out. Yeah, so we're going to slide these out, and I have upgraded my rings. But from what I've seen, the 1 quarter does fit on the stock rings. But I have upgraded my rings so that I have more room to fit more items. And I can place other things in here if I'd like. You can't fit, these are the Kraus rings. I have a video on that. You can't fit like another full like quarter in here on them, but if you wanted to use these and other inserts, you could. I honestly think I'm just going to use these in this agenda. I haven't fully decided yet. This is the first thing that I bought for 2023, and that's just because I had to get it, otherwise they're sold out and you can't get a hold of them. So I do think that I just want to keep it like this. So yeah, these are the inserts, again, daily, and so you have your design. At first I thought it was a dinosaur, but I think it might be a turtle. And again, it's like a little jungle theme, which is cute. You have your Agenda 2023 with the designs in here. I thought these were supposed to come with stickers, but I guess the daily do not, unless they're like snapped in. Oh, there they are. Here are the stickers that it comes with. And again, just those circus themes. And I'll probably store these in this pocket so that way I have them. And I love that they're made for the planner. So flipping it open to the first real page, you have a list of events And so it goes from each month is a column and you just have all of the holidays, and then it's in English and in French. You have perforated edges so that you can track where you're at, and so you can fold them over or you can rip them off so that way you know how far in you are. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I'm kind of leaning towards just taking off the edges, but we'll see. But each quarter has or each page has a quarter, so 3 months. And then you have some additional holidays and where they are celebrated throughout different countries. So public and religious holidays. And again, French and English by month. So it's just a great little reference. Then you have a note page. And then you have your first month, which is January. And so all of the titles are in French, but in the weeks you have French and English, and then it's standard, or as we know, military time. So in the dailies you have from 8 o'clock until 9. I grew up with a military family, still have military family, so I was fine with the like standard time. But here is a full week up close. It starts the last full week, or the last week of December where January starts. So it starts on December 26th, again, 8 to 9. And then you have these little gray sections where you can just write notes, put stickers, do whatever you need. And then you just have a full line for the hour or for the day. And I just think these are really cute. I'm really excited to try these out in my PM. I got the daily and not the weekly because I thought it would be a little bit more fun to switch things up in here, and that way I can like write out exactly where I need to go and what time in this agenda. The paper is like pretty thin, but it is pretty similar to like Hobonichi and other style inserts. It's just not on that like Infinite Lotus or even Erin Condren level, but of course you have to fit a lot of pages into this small agenda, but they're still, it feels like good quality, and I just love how they are designed, and I just think this is very cute. So weekends are on the same page and you just have a list. I do wish that it came with a monthly overview, like a monthly calendar. That's the only thing that I would prefer, or like even just a spot to write things for the month. I know there's a note page, but I saw that they don't even have them on the weekly because I'm debating on getting a weekly planner as well. But this is the one that I for sure wanted. So there's January, we have February, and it's the same. And I like that it also gives you like what week number it is at the bottom, and I just think this is really cute. This currently retails for $81. Again, these are pocket size inserts, and you can get like a full year at a completely like cheaper price at shops like Infinite Lotus or Cloth and Paper or ROSIE Papeterie. I just really wanted to try these, and I think the designs are cute. Again, I liked previous designs better, but I really wanted to try these out and just see how they look, and maybe if it's something that I want to do in my agendas each year. So yeah, that is the inserts, and let me show you all the other designs for the quarters so that way y'all can get an idea of what they look like if you're interested in these. I will say that I did have to contact the concierge desk because of how like long they've already been on the website. So that is something to keep in mind. I couldn't just order them on the website, and then they were very limited in stores. So I live in the Austin area. They didn't have it at my stores, but it even showed like they didn't have it in Dallas or Houston either. So some things to keep in mind. The concierge desk, however, was amazing. I was able to contact them. I contacted them like pretty late one night, and then they contacted me the next morning, and I got the order placed, and then it was free overnight shipping. So it took barely 2 days in order to get these. So it's definitely not an issue, and the concierge desk people were very nice. So yeah, let me just show y'all the rest of the designs. And y'all, I just think these are so cute. I'm just so excited to use these and try these out. For the pocket size, they do have weekly style, and then for the GM or large ring, they do have weekly. I like the weekly layout because it's pretty similar to the layout that I currently use, and I'm debating on getting it for another purchase that's coming in very soon, but we'll see. I haven't fully decided yet. Here is November, and then we have our final month of December. And then other than that, that is the 2023 Small Functional Daily Agenda refills for the theme Art of Living. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I will be doing Plan With Me's in this agenda and my end of month flips, so y'all will see how I use these inserts, and of course I'll share them on Instagram as usual. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.